No matter how you get a traffic ticket, the consequences can be super expensive. Now, you know, when you get a traffic ticket, you're going to pay a fine. But you also might have to pay for traffic school, maybe some court costs. But what's it going to do to your insurance rates? Insurance.com did a study on auto insurance rate increases relating to traffic tickets. The most expensive, as you might imagine, DUI, with a nearly 80% increase. Reckless driving was next at 73%. Down the list a bit, but still expensive, texting while driving. That could raise your premiums by 23%. It's probably no surprise that speeding tickets can raise your insurance rates. The average, between 20 and 30%. Now, the more over the limit, the more expensive it can be. Failing to yield may result in a 20% rate increase, while a seatbelt infraction could cost you 3%. So what should you do? You can fight it yourself, hire an attorney to fight for you, or if it's an option, take traffic school. But do anything you can to keep those points at bay. Bottom line, obviously, the fewer tickets you get, the less you pay for insurance. But staying ticket-free isn't the only way to cut car insurance costs. Want more ideas? Hey, go to MoneyTalksNews.com and just do a search for car insurance. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacey Johnson.